If you are seeing the message, something happened with photomoji, try restarting messages on your phone. Don't worry, because this is a common issue that many users face after updates or random app glitches. In this video, we will understand why this happens and what you can do to fix it safely. Disclaimer. This information is based on general user experience and possible technical causes. Exact reason may vary depending on your device, app version, and usage. Why showing? There are several possible reasons why this photomoji error appears. One common reason is a temporary app glitch where the Messages app fails to load photomoji features properly. Another reason can be a recent software update that introduced bugs or compatibility issues. Sometimes corrupted cache or background data problems can also cause this error. If your internet connection is unstable, the photomoji feature may not load correctly and show this message. In some cases, system services related to media or stickers may crash in the background, triggering this issue. What can do? First, try restarting your Messages app. Simply close the app completely from recent apps and open it again. If that does not work, restart your phone because this can fix temporary system glitches. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. You can also try clearing the cache of the Messages app from your phone settings, which often solves loading issues. If the problem still continues, update your Messages app and your phone software to the latest version because updates usually fix known bugs. You can also try turning off and on permissions like storage or media access for the app. In some cases, logging out and back into your account or resetting app preferences can help. If nothing works, the issue might be from the server side, meaning the feature is temporarily down or facing issues globally. In that case, the best solution is to wait for some time until it gets fixed automatically. So, overall, this is not a serious problem, and in most cases, it can be fixed easily by simple steps like restarting the app, clearing cache, or updating your device.